it's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to another vlog. So it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm getting ready to start on dinner. So I wanted to do kind of like a cook with me vlog, follow us along for the evening. I'm going to be cooking salmon tonight and I'm super excited because the recipe that I found, look at this. This looks amazing. It's honey garlic salmon, and so yeah, I'm gonna cook some shrimp to go along with it and some spinach, so I think that's gonna be good.
Hey.
So the girls are just down here on the floor playing. They have dumped all the toys out that goes in this basket, which we keep in the living room. This is just like the toys that stay in the living room.
Cause I got a magic wand to the store.
Let me see your magic wand. Ooh, I love it. A lot of you guys was asking about her hair and what I use in it. I do have a shampoo routine video up that I put up not too long ago.
And I'm eating salad, guys.
Huh?
I'm eating salad.
Girl, bye. You ain't gonna eat no salad.
Yes.
Okay. I want to see that. Summer girl. Summer girl. Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at Skylar. Skylar dressed herself today. And she also wanted to dress Summer, so she picked this out and she insisted that Summer wear this with the shirt tucked out. A lot of you guys have asked me if you can send me some stuff from your business, and I just wanted to get on here and say it in the vlog so everyone can know. If you do have a business, you can send me anything to my P.O. box and I'll do like a little free promo, I guess you can say, within the vlog. I'll open up the packages and of course, you know, let everybody know what type of business you have and showcase whatever you send me. I just wanted to just go ahead and verbalize it in the vlog and tell you guys, just in case anyone is wondering. I feel like so many people have been reaching out to me ever since I relaunched Fearless Belle and wanting advice on how to promote, how to advertise and different things like that, and wanting to send me stuff. So yeah, I just want to, you know, help you guys out in any way I can, and hopefully, you know, you guys may find interest in whatever I show and go support their business. But yeah, I just wanted to say that real quick. So here is the salmon that I'm going to be cooking tonight. This is pink salmon. It's skinless and boneless. I have learned that I like skinless salmon, period. I got some spinach right here in the bag. I cooked half of this one time before, so I'm gonna cook the rest of that. And the shrimp that I'm going to be using are my favorite shrimp. Skylar's eating some salad. She wanted salad for dinner. And do you like it?
Yeah, it's bacon swing.
It's what, girl?
Bacon swing.
Tell it to the camera. You gotta look at the camera and tell them. It's what?
Bacon swing.
Just put all the ravioli on here and just let her. Uh-oh, you're missing your mouth. I just let her just dig in. And you love it, right? You love it. So y'all, it's officially that time of the year. They have eggnog in the stores. I don't drink eggnog. Let me know down below, what do you guys mix y'all eggnog with? Or do you guys just drink it straight? Sean actually got this when we went to the grocery store the other night. And yeah, I don't know. I think last year he got like a vanilla kind and it kind of tastes good. So they just had their rich, like, they just had this at the grocery store when we went, so we picked up that one. Alexa, pause. Oh, Skylar's trying to do a split. You gotta keep stretching so you can do a split. Good job. Stretch, baby, stretch. I was taking out everything I needed for the recipe tonight and I don't have lemons. So Sean is gonna bring some lemons home on his way home from work. I told him it wasn't really a big deal because I can use the lemon juice that we have, but he was like he'll just stop. So he's gonna stop and get the lemons, and in the meantime I'm going to go ahead and give the girls a bath. I was just gonna like wait until Sean got home so he can have them in the tub so I can just like cook in peace and show you guys, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get it over with. So are y'all ready? Bath time, bath time.
It's mine.
Yeah.
Oh, Merry Christmas! Does her go be Santa Claus like Santa Claus did? Like Santa Claus.
Summer is my water baby. She absolutely loves the water. She loves bubbles. Like Skylar loves bubbles too, but Summer loves water all in her face. I think I showed y'all this before. It's an essential oil blend, and it's supposed to, like, you know, it says sleep, so it's supposed to like put you to sleep, relax you. And I swear by that spray. I just spray it in their bath water. No, Summer. I spray it in their bath water. I also spray it on their nighttime clothes, and it really does relax them. It really does relax them. So y'all try to spray out, okay? And you can get this from Target. I got it from Target. I'll try to find it and link it down below. Yeah, I don't know what I did with Skylar when she was this age. This seat right here is a lifesaver. I know I had the little tub that I used to put inside the tub for Skylar, but this age when they want to like get up and just move around, I don't know what I was doing with Skylar. This seat is a lifesaver. The only thing now is she knows how to get up, so I really have to watch her and keep an eye on her because she'll try to get up and get out the seat. Don't eat that. That is outside. Can I get a 1, 2? Can I get a 3, 4? Can I get a 5, 6? I think y'all heard me when I was giving the girls a bath. I said that Sean is home. Tell me why. I told y'all that he was gonna stop by the grocery store and get some lemons. He didn't stop and he didn't get the lemons. He came home first. I'm like, boy, that was a whole like you were supposed to stop on your way home. But anyways, him and Skylar are going to the grocery store now, and them two, like, they are probably in the toy section, they're probably in the clothes section. They all over the store, okay? So I know it's gonna be a good little while before they get back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cooking. Yeah, it's just me and Summer at the house right now, and it's already 7 o'clock. Your girl is hungry. I haven't really ate anything all day. I know it's not good, but I've just had a lot of work to do today, so I just kind of like forgot to eat. I fed the kids, forgot to feed myself. Anyways, let's get to cooking. I just want to give you guys an overview of all of the ingredients I'm going to be using for this. So you're going to need some ground black pepper, salt. I like sea salt, paprika. That's not in the ingredients in the recipe, but I just wanted to add that because I don't have cayenne pepper. Got some parsley flakes right here, minced garlic, and this is not in the recipe as well, but some basil leaves. Of course you can get the parsley and the garlic fresh. I just prefer to just have it right here already minced, so I don't have to do all of that. But we also have some lemon juice to put in, some apple cider vinegar. I know it said that you can use either one of them. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. And of course some honey and olive oil. So let's get to it, guys. I have my salmon right here, and then my shrimp. I haven't seasoned them or anything. I'm just going to put a little olive oil in here and put my seasonings in here and just toss them in the bowl to season those. And I'm thinking I'm going to put these in the oven and let these cook, but we're going to go ahead and season the salmon so we can go ahead and get this cooking.
Did you really mean the words you said? Yeah, 'cause the way I see it, you had every chance to walk away, yeah. You and me are perfect, but I don't wanna hurt no one when all is said and done.
So here's what my salmon looks like after seasoning it. I added some paprika, also added some Lawry's, y'all. I like for my food to be seasoned, so that's why I'll be going overboard. And here is like the glazed mixture that I mixed up. So I just put them in the pan. I put them on the side where I have the seasoning on. I put a little olive oil in here, and I'm just gonna let them cook for like a minute, and I'm gonna flip them over. So I am gonna put them in the oven just for them to broil a little bit on top. And oh my gosh, I just know this is gonna be so good. I just taste the little glaze mixture, and y'all, this tastes so good. It tastes so good. Smells so good.
Hey, Sam! Hey, Summer! Hey, sweetheart!
Hey, sweetheart.
Hey, Mom!
Hey, booby.
I talked to Grandma that I don't like your kisses.
You don't like what?
Your kisses.
You don't like my kisses?
No, what about your lemon?
What did she do? What did she say? What you laughing at? Hold on, what Daddy didn't told you to tell me? Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Skylar.
What'd she say?
Why you don't like mommy kisses?
I don't like
What's funny to you?
She said I know. I was like, all right. She talking to my mom a lot.
So,
I got an open conversation with my
I
mom.
talked to Grandma.
I was like, all right, Skylar, tell Grandma I love you. She's like, Grandma I love you. Then she said, and I said, all right, but Grandma kiss. She said, she's but Grandma kiss. And she's like, I don't like mommy kisses. I was like, what the heck? I was like, what the heck that come from?
you hurt my feelings.
She said, Grandma, Domonique at home. I was like, what the heck?
So Summer girl, I mean not Summer, but Skylar is back. What are you feeding her, baby?
Applesauce.
You eating applesauce?
You're eating the applesauce I gave.
Did you have fun with Dada?
Yeah.
Where did y'all go?
We went to Myers.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Because I talked to Grandma and I don't like to kiss.
Why? Why you tell Grandma that?
But
You
I
don't like my kisses?
But I like to kiss.
That made me sad when you tell me you don't like my kisses.
I like your kisses right now. Skylar, come. Come on. Hi. Hey, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Take a pretty smile from me.
So I ended up having to transfer the salmon into this pan right here. And now I'm getting ready to put the garlic on top, and I'm also going to put the mixture that I made earlier. My spinach is done cooking, my rice is almost done, and my shrimp are done.
I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who listened, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you.
So I just transferred it to the pan, and now I'm getting ready to put it in the oven on broil. But I just put it on here, and I put a little parsley on top. It looks so good, y'all. I tasted a piece and it tastes so delicious.
It's delicious too.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. So here is the final look. It looks really good. I cannot wait to taste it. We have our spinach, few shrimp, rice, and the salmon. So yeah, it looks pretty good. This is my first time kind of like trying to make it look presentable.
Yeah, but
And I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so
I swear.
I'm getting ready to taste it for the first time.
Daddy, I just swear.
And
I tried it on
the flavors are really strong. Ooh, it's really good.
Oh, I know you're there, girl.
This is so good. Oh, you gotta taste this, Sean. Ooh.
What are you doing? Look
Look at that little piece of salmon. He got that little piece. Ah! You like that drink? It's good, right? Got your lemon flavor, your honey flavor. What does it taste like?
It's like a little zesty.
It's good. Scale from 1 to 10. 10. So guys, I just wanted to comment in the vlog. Y'all, dinner was so good. Definitely try that recipe out. I will have it linked down below in the description box. But like always, I always tweak it into my own thing. But I think I told you guys mainly like all the seasons that I added to it. Like I did add some Laries to the salmon, and it was so good. Sean loved it. It was just so flavorful. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, it was so good. It was like the best meal I've cooked in a while. Like I really enjoyed it, and I'm so glad I cooked extra. So I'm gonna be eating that for lunch tomorrow. So my positive message for you guys today is don't rush the process. Good things take time. Be patient with yourself. You will get to wherever it is that you want to be. I have to tell myself that constantly every single day, and I just want to encourage you guys, don't rush it. Take your time. My battery's dying, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.